This content is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial, investment, or legal advice. Cryptocurrency, trading, and investing that involves significant risk. Always do your own research, DYOR, and consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any financial decisions. I am not a licensed financial advisor, and the views expressed here are personal opinions. You are fully responsible for your own investment actions and outcomes.
Yo, what's up guys? Cryptonatics here. So in this video guys, pag-uusapan natin itong si Slepagochi. So ano nga ba itong si Slepagochi guys? So pwede tayo dito mag-earn habang natutulog guys, and then pwede din tayo ditong mag-sleep tracker guys, no? So dito kay Slepagochi. Okay, so kaya siya tinawag na Slepagochi, so sleep to earn siya guys, no? So the sleep app that can actually improve sleep guys. Okay, so ito yung pwede natin mabago yung hobby natin sa pagtulog, no? So yan, kaya ginawa itong si Slepagochi guys. So want better sleep, consistency is the key. Just focus on a regular bedtime and wake up time. Yan guys, no? May mga guides siya sa pagtulog. So Slepagochi, the only app designed for lasting sleep habits. Yan. So ito yung fun and rewarding nila, no? Yan, mapapansin nyo, ito yung box na kung saan bubuksan natin yan and then magkakaroon tayo ng random rewards, no? So pwede din pala tayo dito guys, gumamit ng mobile sa paglalaro nitong Slepagochi, no? Yan, no? Ito yung random box. Okay, ito yung mismong parang ano natin, room, no? So I think di-design natin to room na to. Okay? Yan. Yan yung itsura niya sa mobile app. Ito yung sleep tracker nila, no? Pwede natin makita dito yung average bedtime windows, yung consistency natin sa pagtulog, and overview. And then yung other available na pwede natin paggamitan nitong sleep tracker, guys. Okay? Yan. So I think na i-release nila yung app dito, or I think na-release na nila, no? Okay, so 25 days straight guys, yan. So pwede natin i-share yan. Ayan, track your sleep every day to build a healthy habit guys. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Alright? Sleep and discover. Yan, habang tayo tutulog or bago pa tayo matulog guys, pwede muna tayo maglaro dito sa pamamagitan nitong Slepagochi. Pwede natin ma-enjoy yung pagtulog natin, no? Sa paglalaro nitong Slepagochi bago matulog guys. Yan, so yung kanyang ratings meron siyang 4.8, so 500k yung naka-join na sa kanila ng mga users. Okay, users already improving their sleep guys. Then number 2 siya sa product of the year. Ito yung mga parang partnership I think guys, no, or yung mga feedback. So track your sleep, build a habit, feel the difference. So wala siyang ads in over 20 hours track. Yan. So, say goodbye to sleepless nights. Say hello to dino. So, don't go to bed hungry. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Yes, of course guys. Kasi yung caffeine is mas lalo tayong hindi pinapatulog, no? It keeps an eye on your patterns, offers encouragement, and gently nudges you towards better habits, always with a smile. So, how does Slepagochi know when you sleep? So, meron siyang AI powered guys, no? Para malaman kung kailan tayo makakatulog, no? So, wearable friendly din siya guys, no? Yan. Join other sleepers. So, Slepagochi is more fun with friends. Yan. Pwede tayo makipagkaibigan dito sa Slepagochi guys. Eto. So, napaka-cute naman talaga nung kanila ditong mga parang no? Yung gagamitin natin character guys, no? Yan, no? Napaka-cute niya. So, hear from our users. Ito yung feedback guys, no? Mapansin nyo mga positive feedbacks yan, no? Right? When inspired and support each other, join on our community. So, pwede tayo sumali sa kanilang Discord guys. Meron sila ditong ayan guys, oh. Meron sila ditong 35,000 members and then 1,896 online guys. So, napakarami guys, no? Ibig sabihin, ang dami na nagamit nito guys, itong si Slepagochi. Ito yung Telegram nila, no? Meron sila dito 68,000 subscribers guys. Itong si Slepagochi guys. Ayan, no? Right? And then ito yung kanilang Twitter. Yan, meron sila ditong 45,000 followers. So ito yung mga legit na official social media nitong si Slepagochi guys. So bisitahin niyo na lang yan, no? Yan ang mga followers nila, 45k, no? So, Jumbo Phone Weekly Giveaway. Meron din sila ditong phone giveaway guys, no, weekly. Yan, no, dito sa Slepagotchi. Yan. Sa season of the Slepagotchi Beta. So, ito yung season ng March pa to, no? Alright? So, tingnan natin guys itong Slepagotchi. Kung meron na ba silang app ngayon. So, pagkakaalam ko kasi, available siya sa store, sa Play Store guys. Itong app ni Slepagotchi. So, meron na siya, I think. Ay, wala pa guys, no? Sleep Cycle, Sleep Tracker, sa iba to. So yun guys, I think i-release nila to soon, yung application nitong si Slepagotchi, no? Right? Ito yung partners nila. So, Symbion, Genesis. Ito guys, no? Yan mga partnership nila guys, napakarami. Ito yung free and no ads, just sleep, play games, track sleep, get rewards. Yun, napakasimple guys, no? Download app and start sleeping better. Track your sleep, build a habit, feel the difference. Of course guys, yan. So, paano i-download yung apps nila, no? So, parang hindi pa siguro siya. Ito yung may media kit pala siya dito, no? Ito yung media kit guys. Ito yung wala pa pala siya sa Play Store pero meron na silang application, no? Ito yung kanyang app guys. Pwede na natin siyang i-download, no? Once na ma-download natin yan, pwede available siya sa Android or iOS, no? Itong application ni Slepagotchi guys. Yan, pwede na natin siyang malaro pala, no? Sa ngayon guys, wala pa silang sa Play Store. So soon magkakaroon din niya, malapit na yan guys, no? So yun guys, kung gusto niyo nang makatulog o mabago yung sleep habit niyo, no? So pwede niyo gamitin itong si Slepagotchi guys, no? At the same time, naglalaro na tayo, nag-i-enjoy na tayo, pwede pa tayo kumita, no, dito kay Slepagotchi. So ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description guys kung nagustuhan niyo tong project na to, itong platform na to guys. Kung talagang makakatulong sa inyo to guys, why not guys, no? Yan, so click niyo na lang yung link sa description. Yan, and then download nyo na lang guys, makikita nyo sa media kit guys, okay? Pero nakadepende din sa inyo yun guys, no? So hanggang dito na lang.